Good morning, welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. This morning we'll show you how to install the hard disk into a Synology network access storage. Okay, this model is DS218. As you can see, I have created the unboxing video. Okay, so first we open up this cover. As you can see here, you can see there's two bay for you to put hard disk. How you take it off is to push and pull. Push and pull. Okay? Alright. I will be installing a 2 terabyte hard disk. This is a Seagate Iron Wolf, especially made for NAS, and this is SATA. Okay, so you can see the bay here. This is the lock. You can see here pull. This same goes here, pull. Okay. So how we install it, just like that. Okay, once you are done, there's a 2 hole here. Once you are done, you just put it back and clip on it. Okay. I have another hard disk, which is the same model, 2 terabyte. The purpose is I'll be setting up as RAID 0 as a mirroring hard disk. Okay, just nicely fits. Okay, yep, it's really tight. Okay, now we have 2 hard disks here, and we're gonna install it into the bay here. Look. Okay, so I'll take the first hard disk. Okay, just slot it in like that. And then push. Same goes to this. Okay. Then just close it with the cover, and here we go. We are done with the hard disk inside. Okay. So we'll power up later on. Thank you for watching.